Okay, so this one I'm doing today is food that builds your immune system. Foods that help reduce inflammation. Foods that kill bacteria in the stomach. I'm gonna go back up to food that builds the immune system. So red bell peppers, I do believe the yellow as well, spinach, broccoli, ginger, and turmeric. Another thing that I found out that helps too is like if you're already under the weather, you're sick and you're not able to eat stuff, bread. If you have bread and you can eat just a little bit of it, it helps with the nausea, feeling upset, stuff like that. I know from experience because I have used it. You also have carrots, kale, apricots, sweet potato, squash, cantaloupe. Those help your body to build up a response to any toxin in the body. Then for foods, well, the one that I just read off, the carrots, kale, apricot, sweet potato, squash, cantaloupe, they help the body to build up antibody response to any toxins inside the body. That's chaya right there. That's pretty good. That's our version of possibly cantaloupe and chard. Okay, and then there's another set of food that helps with to reduce the inflammation, which would be apple, berries, tomato, celery, onions. That cacti right there, the shrubs below it, the green one that looks like a pineapple that yields flowers, and the flowers you can use to fry up and add to breakfast: eggs, beans. The hummingbird cannot, I think they cannot stand still for less than nothing more than half an hour, otherwise they die. So to kill bacteria in the stomach, we start off with fatty fish, mackerel, salmon, and tuna. Then we go over to nuts, chia seeds, walnut. I think sunflower seeds might be a part of that as well. Almond seed too. So to help kill bacteria in your stomach, sunflower seed oil, extra virgin olive oil, and grapeseed oil.